not just a regular Boxster though. This is an RS60 Spyder. So let's take a look at it. You'll recognize it if you are into James Dean at all. It looks just like his car did. Obviously it's silver, beautiful silver with the red interior. It's a manual, 6-speed. And here's the big feature right here, the RS60 Spyder. So what makes that an RS60 Spyder? In 1960, there was 12 hours of Sebring. The 1960 version, the 718, dominated with its power and with, well, obviously Porsche engineering. This is a tribute to that car. They only made 805, I think, 810 of these cars. Oh, that's right, they only made 800 for the United States. 303 horsepower. The exhaust has a different mode where you regular mode, and then high performance mode kicks it up about 8 horsepower to 303. Actual working air dams. Again, let's take a look at the plaque right here, signifying it is an RS60. That's a big deal. The interior is just wonderful. It's a flawless car, really, really is. Very little miles on it. GT metallic, silver. It's gorgeous, and it's definitely a car that we need to go for a drive in, don't we? We are in the 2008 Porsche Boxster RS60 Spyder. You have to love that. Jake, I know you want this car.
I do really badly.
I know.
So what are these buttons lit up down here on the bottom?
Well, this button right here, that is for the wing. So right now the wing is deployed because you know we go so fast on these drives. The second one is modifying the suspension to be a little bit harder. And the third one here, you can hear the difference. The exhaust note. Yes, it's quite throaty once you do depress that button, which will drive like that because that's the way we should do it. I love this red interior. They have a burnt orange I've seen a lot. I'm not a big fan of that. I think the red is the way to go with the silver.
I agree. Silver on red is, you can't really beat it.
Classic Porsche. And again, instrumentation panel. They've really done it the correct way. What's right in front of you? RPMs. That's all that matters. The speed's great, but you better be driving the same rate. You better be getting it close to the red line once it's at the proper temp. Nostalgia here. Feel it. I love the steering. It's so responsive and you can feel the road. Do the brake work? Yes. Is it straight as an arrow? Yes. Love it. Okay, I really like the exhaust note when it's depressed and when it's in loud mode. Get over this way. The opportunity. Well, he sure is fast enough. You tell me when. Love over-engineered cars. I really, really do. This is too easy, and it's engineered just enough. It doesn't have all the crazy new car features at all, but it's got everything you need for a wonderful driving experience. It's German. It's just a great car. It's a Porsche for the love of Mike.
Let's hear that exhaust from the back. How about that?
It's on loud mode, and it's worth it.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it does. I love this car so much. Shall we drive back with the top down?
Sure.
Oh, good. Okay, this is my favorite car so far, Jake. We've driven a few. 71 Jag was pretty nice. I don't know if anything beats this bad boy. I like the way it sounds. I like everything about it.